Hey guys, this is Zach. If you've been a follower of this page, you would know that May was the month where I started a small account to trade using my AI indicator. As May come to an end, I was going through my monthly trading performance and it had me wondering, what if I traded every signal that my AI indicator had generated? How would my return rate look like and what would be my winning rate? So I decided to go to the Ethereum chart and started backtesting. And here's the plan. Whenever a signal appears, I will enter immediately on the next candle open. All the cut loss and take profit levels will be determined by myself using basic technical analysis. If price hits cut loss or take profit price, I will close the trade immediately. If a signal of the opposite direction appears, I will also close the trade as well. The backtest will be done using a capital of 10,000 USD and I will allocate 10% of the capital to every single trade, which is also $1,000 per trade. And because we will be trading a lower time frame, I will use a leverage of 10 times for every trade. So after backtesting all the signals, I have compiled the data and here's the result. Again, we start with a capital of 10,000 USD and every trade will be $1,000. During the month of May, the indicator had given 29 signals in total. And among the 29 trades, we've had 15 winning trades. And in other words, a 52% win rate for the month. Our final capital after the month ends is at 13,000 USD, which is also about 31% capital gain. Now, although some of you may think, oh, if the win rate is 52%, isn't it basically gambling? Now, that statement is not completely wrong, but it's not fully correct either. Because even with 52% win rate, we were still able to achieve 31% capital gain. And that is because of one main reason: risk to reward ratio. Looking at this table, we can see that the wins are always way bigger than the losses. In other words, we win big and we lose small. Your one win should always be able to recover back 2 or 3 of your losses. That way, you will be profitable even with a win rate of 50%. Looking at the charts, we can see that my take profit is always bigger than my cut loss, at least at a ratio of 1 to 1.5. Another observation we can see from the chart is that when the indicator is wrong, it's mostly because of sideways market. So the loss is not too big. However, when the signal is correct, we always see a big move to the upside or to the downside. This is why we were able to win big and lose small. Now, you may also argue that 31% capital gain is because we use a leverage of 10 times, and your argument would be valid, because not everyone should use leverage at all. But let's say we don't use leverage. Our monthly return would go from 31% down to 3% per month. And 3% may not sound like much, but if you annualize the return, it's approximately 36%. And that is still pretty amazing. Of course, I will not try to make it sound like this indicator is the best thing ever, because to achieve a result like this, it still takes your own hard work to set your key levels with basic technical analysis. And not to mention, emotions will get in the way when manual execution is involved. So my advice would be that we should pair this indicator with price action and technical analysis. With that, we can easily raise our win rate to an even higher level. Like in this part, there's a short signal appeared. But if you knew basic technical analysis and market structure, you wouldn't choose to short over here. In summary, this shows that the indicator only acts as a tool to improve our trading. Even if we fully rely on it, we still need to take charge of our own risk management in order to make a profit. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video and find it interesting. If you enjoy my content, do consider following me. I will see you on the next video.